All right, welcome back, everyone. I will be the first to admit that I was wrong, I suppose, on the video I made during the what I thought was going to be a smaller crash. I did err on the side of caution, so I secured some profits for myself, and people I spoken to closed their long trades. Luckily, I suppose, unless you were very into proper risk management, yeah, we saw the market do a huge correction down. And while I suppose it was expected, I did not. I think a lot of people didn't expect the speed and the sheer volume of it. I was sleeping at the time, and my phone started going crazy with alerts, and I checked it out, and damn, like I said, luckily I myself put myself actually in a pretty good position for some proper risk management. So yeah, value wise, I wasn't really affected a lot. A small amount, a little bit, but I suppose that's okay. I'm gutted for a lot of people that once again lost a lot of money though, and I think that's why I always try to be the voice of reason. Why I always err on the side of caution. Like it's not always going to be prices go up. Like always, people over leveraging, trading a lot, trading either way like a candle of this volume will stop you out either way. But yeah, let's just grab the charts and I'll talk a little bit about where I think we're headed next. All right, so here we are at my Bitcoin chart. So I drew these two lines on the last video I did. Um, I wasn't that far off, I suppose, on where we recovered, but look at that daily candle. I mean, that is insane. Like I said, like I watched up until this point when I went to bed, and in a matter of hours, like the price was here, and in my mind, I was thinking like, when I grabbed my phone, like, am I reading this right? Am I reading this correctly? So the downside for me is that I forgot to put limit orders, but I just because I didn't expect them either. I didn't expect the price to dip down that far, so I did not put any limit orders yet on those levels. I did put one here and here, but yeah, completely missed out on even my own second target because I thought it would take more time. I was able to buy a little bit yesterday on a bit of a higher price level, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I kind of missed out on that, and I mean, being able to buy Bitcoin at this price, but I think it was such a short price spike. Not a lot of people were able to do this. So where are we headed next? I think it's positive that there is a lot of buying volume headed back into the market. And considering we bounced off a very strong support level, previous support level, I suppose. So I think we're pretty solid. I think is these levels are going to be crucial. Like, are they going to be a very tough resistance? Are we going to dip down further? I think this is the key in the next couple of days, if to see if we bounce back or if we start seeing another massive sell-off candle. I will say this though, I think uh, markets are uncertain right now. I think there's a lot of fear in the market. Don't think the euphoria will be back yet. And maybe like around the end of the year, like we have a few months of bleeding, and then we start seeing some euphoria back in the market. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. Either way, though, I will be adding some more funds this month again. I've got some cash on the side. I luckily secured a bunch of profits before this, so I have some dry powder ready to be able to buy all the way back down to these levels. And I think that's the key. I think that's the key. Like, if you got into Bitcoin at this price, the only way you're going to get yourself out comfortably is by buying these dips. I think that is crucial. And while I think there is room for leverage trading. I think right now, I'm not leverage trading right now because I think there's too much uncertainty in the market. And as I posted on my last video, where I thought we were pretty solid because we broke that 4 trillion and it looked like we were actually holding that $4 trillion. I mean, yeah, 3.85, and that's after another leg up. So, I mean, that is a massive, massive correction on the total crypto market cap. So, I wouldn't honestly be surprised if we start seeing more choppy waters, start seeing more selling pressure, sort of like this being a dead cat bounce, and then that's where we reject and start going further down again. I wouldn't be surprised if that happens, and I do think we'll stay above 100k at least for the foreseeable future. I don't think we have that much selling pressure yet. You can see the amount of buys that it triggered at the day after we were already at this price. So I do think there's a lot of buying pressure, but lower prices. And we can see like Ethereum, well, it's back above 4k now, but it went well into the $3,000 again. Absolutely got it. The upside is, if you're DCAing like me and you're still, I'm going to be in crypto for the next 10 years, any price I pay now is a good price. I will say this, err on the side of caution, especially during these times. Just stick to your plan, stick to your strategy. Don't get greedy, don't get cocky, I'd say. Just stick to your plan and just follow your strategy, and don't take unnecessary risks. Like, we are fearful, very fearful. I always say fearful territory is where we buy, greed is where we sell. So based purely on this indicator, you can make a profit in crypto. All you have to do is make sure you're not forced to sell at a loss, basically. So I just wanted to do this short little video, a little bit of reassurance, a little bit of airing my own thoughts out, what I'm thinking. I'm just, like I said, I've bought, I'm waiting now. I think the right thing to do right now for me is do nothing, actually. I'm just gonna wait and see what prices do. Wait and see if we find another opportunity, another good coin to buy around this price. Because, like I said, well, maybe Dogecoin like 20% down on the weekly, ADA 20% down on the weekly. Hype could actually be a good buy. I had not bought Hype, actually, because I thought it was too high. But I know a 20% down is almost a 40% up. So yeah, I'm even on Sui. I did a Sui video a few days ago, so I think Sui could be a right buy as well, AVEX as well. I think that this is the time to start accumulating, but considering the dailies, it's not that bad, actually. There is still room. There is still a little bit room. So yeah, I think that's the strategy for me right now. Let me know what you guys think. If you have a different approach, if you got out in time, or maybe if you got completely wrecked during these markets, try to take a lesson from it and try to prevent yourself from having this same issue. And my past experiences have taught me to secure myself during these times as well. So that's why, relatively financially, my loss was not as big. It's a couple $100 is, and I didn't lose it because I technically didn't sell it either. So that's, take that how you want it. But yeah, we never know exactly what these markets are going to do. Yeah, so just airing out my thoughts a little bit on this. Let me know what you guys think. If you like these videos, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, there's definitely more to come in the coming few days, guys. All right, see ya.